Timberline family, y'all tap in. I want what was your name again, bro?
Oscar.
Oscar. I want Oscar to be eating. So y'all, anytime y'all come to LA, y'all see it. Can we get a tour of like everything?
Of course, yeah, come see, bro.
So like, what are these? These are just regular washers and dryers?
Yeah, these are just for like the sample loads, smaller stuff like that, tie-dye stuff like that.
You can actually tie-dye it in here or no?
No,
No, it's just a dryer.
pretty much it's regular dryer.
Like when you get a laundromat type shit.
Exactly. So over here we got these machines. Yeah, I care with the wire, bro.
Ah, fuck it. Whatever. We're here. So, this is like this is how you dye it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Specifically these dresses, stuff that's very delicate, we have to fit it in mesh bags, bro. We throw them in there, we hit it with the dye, give it the whole process.
Hey, show them the shit, bro. Show them. They cooking that shit up right now. Y'all cooking it up. So this is like where you you know the red dye. You know how most people like most customers are like Walmart red dye.
Yeah.
It's the powder stuff, right?
Nah, that red dye, bro, is no good, bro. You gotta go with the industrial, good powder dye brand.
So how does this work? You put in the garments and then what?
And then you pretty much put it in the vat. You add the dye. If you guys come over here real quick. Concert. And we pretty much we hit it with that. Look, bro, this is a mineral wash. Let me show you that.
Wow.
So get I'll show you a dry product. But after it's like nice and dried up, bro, it's just badass.
That's fire.
But pretty much, yeah, we throw it into the bag, bro. We add the dye in there. He let it do its thing. And yeah, I mean, there's not much to it, bro. There's not much to it, but you can watch it. You know what I mean?
That's how everything is in life.
Yeah.
So this is something
More
that's
machines over
dying
here.
right now.
Same thing. Now come over here. No. Sure, I can't show you in there right now. But practically, you see those sponges up there? That's what's used to make that mineral wash. So you get those sponges, you fill them up with potassium, throw them in one by one, and those sponges, what they do is they hit the shirts. They hit the shirts, and it creates like that white speckled look. So to process, one by one can.
The first one that we saw is like a solid wash, right? Solid regular wash. You just put in the dye, the water, let it sit. The second one we saw is a mineral wash where it's a dye, and you're putting these in there to give it that sort of texture.
Exactly.
Okay. And what about like tie-dyes? Tie-dyes, you do it in here too?
No, I'll show you the tie-dye room. It's over here.
So these are like smaller drums of those?
Yep.
Can you get high off smelling this?
Shit, I wish, bro.
Let me try it.
Probably lose a couple of brain cells.
Yeah.
High, bro.
Either or, it's the same thing, right? Getting high, losing brain cells, same thing.
This right here, this is where all the magic happens, bro. This is a tie-dye room. Come take the top.
Y'all got AC in here?
It feels cold, right?
Yeah, it feels good. Hola.
Check it out. I got my teas right here, highly specified.
She cooking it up. What you cooking up, man? What you cooking up?
But yeah, check it out, bro.
Wow.
We do all this. We got the sample right there. That's pretty much what we're going for. So whenever we're doing a sample,
Yeah.
we have our sample hung up, and we make sure that we match that. I mean, production.
How many shirts can you guys do in an hour? How many shirts do they do in an hour?
Depends, bro. It depends. And the complexity of the tie-dye and everything like that. So this is another production that we just got finished doing.
Yeah.
So pretty much what this production is, we dyed it pink first, and then we hit it with the crystalline. So
Y'all see that? That's great. So you dye it pink in the first machine, right? And
dye
then
pink.
and then they rubber band it and do it like that.
God knows what's up,
Yeah,
bro.
man, that's great. I'm about to open up it. You know what's funny? I actually, when I was coming up, I actually fucking would tie-dye shit.
Oh, really?
But like, I didn't have none of this shit. I had like, you know how you go to Home Depot, you have the trash cans?
Yeah.
Not even this, like a regular commercial trash can. I'd put hot water in there, you know when you do crawfish?
Yeah.
I got a crawfish pot, I boil water in there, I got the powder dye, I put it in there and I sit it in here.
Damn.
And then I'd literally, a mop.
Yeah.
I literally get a mop, squeegee it out, and hang that shit up, bro.
Bro, it's not that different from how we do it right here.
But you guys got the machinery, so it's like, it's a lot different.
But yeah, man, this is pretty much it.
That's crazy, bro.
You know, and we scale up whenever it comes to, let's say, we've had productions of like 10,000, 20, 30,000. So when we get productions like that, we scale it up.
Let me ask you this. So, for the business of like running a dye house, is it that you're putting the money into the shirts, or you're just essentially like a screen printer and you're providing a service?
We're providing a service.
Okay.
Now, there's very rare occasions where maybe since I've been in the game for a while, I could plug them up with, you know, with maybe some T-shirts or, you know, maybe I know some people that do cut and sew.
But the main thing is you provide the service.
I just do the service.
Are you the manager here?
Well, I'm the owner's son.
Owner's
yeah,
son.
So I kind of play every role.
We the same. How old are you?
25.
Damn, you're younger. Yeah, this is the future right here. All right, Oscar, look, I think that we can make a lot of money together. Is there a world where you ever see like a Brothers Dye House blank sold at Superline?
Yeah, of course.
You know what I'm saying? Like, how do we? So could I in theory, could I send you like a order like from Gildan, order it directly here?
Drop ship.
You dye it all and then you send it back to me?
You've seen those pallets outside, bro? Those pallets don't stop coming.
Yeah.
It's literally people from across the state, people from outside of the country, bro.
Yeah.
They're drop shipping it directly to us. They everything's handled through email, tech pack, colors, and everything.
I don't want to email. I want to deal direct. I'm coming with the big pallets. How many? Okay, let me ask you this. Let's say I get a Gildan shirt, right?
True.
What is my cost after like it's all said and done? Like if I were to do just a mineral wash on a Gildan shirt, what am I looking just for the wash?
So, in terms of price, it really depends on how many units it is too, bro. If you give me a big order, let's say 1K, I can cut you a sweet deal, bro. We could call it $350 a piece.
$350 a piece.
Yeah, $3.50 per piece. Now that includes dyeing the T-shirt and then actually doing that one process where I'm telling you.
Yeah.
So it's a double process. So we'll charge something like that around there.
And then that's not including shipping or anything like that?
No.
It's just
yeah. It's just for the service.
When we get off the camera, I'm gonna talk to my boy. You know what I'm saying? What I'm gonna do for y'all is this: if you got the load, pull up here. You know what I'm saying? If you a heavy hitter, pull up, talk to Oscar, and you do it yourself. But for all my other guys out there that want to work your way up, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna hop on the phone with Oscar, and I'm gonna see about making our own mineral washes and putting it inside Superline. How crazy would that be?
Let's make it happen, bro. Let's make that shit happen.